One of the most important aspects of the giveaway process is, of course, the image. We got about 7/100ths of a second. Somebody's going to decide whether or not they think your giveaway is good enough for them. 7/100ths of a second. That's what you got. So to put the kind of things that's going to massage their willingness to accept your gift is crucial. Not all gifts will work. Not all gifts will work with all people. And this will be the first video to show you a couple of the things that I found have been very successful, and then of course how we're going to build these images. So the first thing is you got access to Image Maker Pro as part of the bonuses that we offered. Okay, so I'm going to create a new image, and I'm going to call it Go Giver 1. All right, and then I'm just going to go in Edit. So what you have here is a giant blank canvas. So the first step is I can make this canvas whatever size I want. So I'm going to suggest that you make it 500 by 500. Okay? So all I did was click in here, change that to a 500, change that to a 500. Okay? So it's a nice big block square. It's big enough to fill most of the screen. And then we want to add some things. So I'm going to use a white background, but that can be your choice. You can put whatever. Like I can come in here. I'm not going to go into all of these things, but you can select a stock background or a custom background. But for our example, we're just going to use just this. Then I'm going to pick the grass is one, and this is a third. This is the first image, this is the second image, this is the third. So if you go over this one and you save it, you're going to be saving the going viral header. So I'm just going to save the box, okay? I'm going to save that image. I'm going to put it into a place where I'm saving all my giveaway images. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to click on graphic. Now up here, I can make it public for all users or private for only me. So I just want to make this private for only me. Choose upload, go select my image, and then I'm going to upload. Okay, so it's absolutely huge, right? It doesn't fit in. So when I click on it, you can see I click on it and you can see this little dot in the corner. So I grab it and I'm just going to go like this just so I can move it and reposition it. You see how it's still too big. So I just click and hold, and then I drag. Now I have my image here, and I can decide if I want to make this a little bit bigger, or you know what I mean? So we have the box, but I think we want to do several other things. So one of the things is I like to put 100% free. So I go in here and I type in 100% free. Then I click on images. What do we got? So we want something that we can put over top. So I want it in PNG. Okay, so that means it's transparent background. Okay, so I'm going to go look at what is my colors here. And then I'm going to pick something like this. I'm going to copy, I'm going to save that image to the same place, and then I'm going to upload it into the software. So again, it's giant, right? Well, if I click on it, I can drag it and make it any size I want. So I'm just going to put that right there. Okay? Now I want a button, right? Now I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to say download free. Okay, I'm going to check this one out. I'm going to save that. Okay, you see, I'm no graphic artist, but what you want is the elements that are absolutely necessary. So the one thing that I like to put is I like to put no opt-in required. So I'm going to say no opt-in required. Okay, and then I can pick whatever whatever font I want. I'm just going to stick with this. I'm going to click there. Okay, so if I want, I can now make this bigger, right? And then I'm going to put some stuff at the top. So again, I'll go to the text, and then I'll put brought to you by ... Now see that how cool this is when you change the font, you get to see. Okay, so we're going to go with that one. You know, if you want to go in here and change colors and stuff like that, I would click here, say I want this red, click, then I'd enter. Okay, and then I want one more image, right? I want this to be, because I like the round graphic. Okay, the round graphic, the same graphic is with what's on your social. Okay, so again, it's a giant, right? So I have to make it smaller. So it seems like this is quite a bit of work. Okay, and then there's your graphic. So it took me, I don't know, 10 minutes to make this while I'm showing you. I grabbed all these graphics, I downloaded them, I uploaded them. That's basically what it takes to make something really cool. They need to know that it's 100% free. They need to know they can download it free. They need to know there's no opt-in required, and you should have something telling them that it's from you. So I'm going to save that now, and once it's complete, I can export it, okay? Which is basically downloading it. So I've saved it, now I'm going to export it. So it came to another page, but if I right click on here and I went save as, okay, and if I go in there and I look, you're going to see that that entire graphic is there. So I can now take this graphic from you and upload it into the gift section of NetBiz. Or you can obviously give it away anywhere you want. Okay, so that's how to use ImageMaker Pro. This is probably the longest video of the series. Stay tuned to the next video. I'm going to show you the image creation method I like the best.